There we go. There we go. Got one.
Got him?
Yep, little crappie. There we go. Look at there. Nah, crappie.
What?
Crappie.
Big ass crappie.
Nah, this is a small one. Oh, let me get this guy off.
Holy crap.
Dude, I kinda wanna keep him.
No.
Oh, there he goes. Got it on video too. Back off.
My turn.
Dude, they're not gonna buy turns.
Yeah, they are.
Best thing is they travel in schools. Hey, we didn't get scuffed.
Oh, we did not.
At least I didn't. Got another. Got another.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, I
so
forgot to
big?
put the GoPro out there.
Why are they so fucking big?
There we go. Phew. Alright, let's get this guy off.
I think we ought to switch rods.
Fuck you.
I don't know if I can have anything to say about it.
Slow. You gotta be slow. There we go. There we go. Second one. First YouTube video. First. Oh, fucking. Yeah, I'm gonna chase you.
Did I?
Glasses polarized?
Yeah.
Should be able to see it. These are like $10 fucking homework glasses. Slower. Just want to each that bitch up. Oh, he had it. Ooh. Watch this. On the drop. Go get one. On the drop. Oh, nope. Dude, that's the first cast I ain't had one.
I've only ever seen a crappie so big.
Dude, those are like, look, these ain't even big ones. I don't even know how my camera angle's looking. That sink there.
Told you this spot would work.
You gotta slow down your presentation.
No, I need to get my fucking thing to spin so it actually. The second this thing fucking slows down, it just doesn't spin.
I have smaller ones in my tackle box.
I don't think I'd be able to cast this one.
Sure. Dude, it was like one after another. Unless it was just a timed school. Try out there. Stick. Dude, if I had a cast net and we had some minnows, we'd be killing it.
You gonna get once 11:30?
Oh yeah, where you want to go? Defect.
I think you ought to let me get one cast in with that.
I ain't even having bites in there.
I got the magic touch.
Bullshit, you do.
Yeah, I do.
I'll be catching them
I
all.
got the first bite.
First bite my ass, I got the first 3 fish.
And I got the first bite. I told you to come to the spot. That's not going to be a good look on your fucking YouTube channel.
Oh no, they love this shit.
No.
You're trying to take my spot, take my reel.
You're taking my spot. I told you to come. Maybe I should be the real fucking fisherman.
Dude, you are reeling that in way too fucking fast.
Well, I have to, or
Oh.
else the fucking thing's not going to work.
That was a nipple.
I'm just going to jig this fucking thing. I'm going from stack to stack.
Watch out because there is a, see that branch coming in the water?
Yeah.
Right there should be the sweet spot. I was gonna hit it like a texture. Yeah, that'll work a little better. Dude, that's what I'm scared about casting over here. Handfish are fucking old reliable, man. Maybe if I come over here a little bit. I'm gonna try something. I was gonna sit down and leave it. They've been hitting me on like rather the fall or one's just sitting there on the bottom. what?
Found a new technique.
See what we get. What's your new technique?
Stick the rod tip underwater so I can get the
Dude, where'd it go? GoPro, stop recording.
voice activated.
Yeah.
Fine. So it's always listening.
Yeah, how do you think I get my paddle 2 points? GoPro, start recording.
10.
Oh, little yellow perch.
What the hell?
Is it recording? Oh no. What? GoPro, start recording. Oh wait, it is recording. There we go. Little yellow perch. Not too shabby. Let's put it all down. The little guy. Oh, she swallowed it. I don't know if I can get that out. I'm not gonna lie. That's gonna suck. Open up. Oh, it just came everywhere. It's a male. Oh yeah, he swallowed it.
That's all they needed.
Oh, fuck, I got cum all over me, man. Dude, I just turned these fish on. Dude, honestly. I'm not fighting for that hook. There he is. Oh, let's see if he jizzes anymore. That's all of his jizz. There he goes. Get that shit off of me.
Ooh.
Dude, it's all over the fucking deck.
It's all over the GoPro.
Don't say that. Alright, I think that's gonna do it for me today. I ain't walking back to the truck to get more shit.